Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to open the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club for January 2023. So the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club is it's a club, it's a website, and they have lots of different clubs. So there are Gemstone Beads of the Month Club, that's what I have here. There are 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club. There are, let's see here, 11O Delicas, 11O Seed Beads, Hot and Trendy, Fire Polished, and then a rotating one that puts you on that gives you different ones each month. So you can check them out. I will link their website in the description box below this video. I do have a coupon code for 10% off, and that is 10% off of the first box of each club that you sign up for. So if you want to sign up for one club, it's 10% off the first box. First month's box of that one, or if you want to sign up for 10 clubs, it's all of them. You get 10% off the first month's box of each one. So that's very, very generous for for their subscribers. Also, like I said, that is Wendy 10. They also have a free pattern page for subscribers, and that changes every month. So that's really nice. So the bead you get, you can look at their free pattern page and just, make what they're making, or just do what you want. But anyway, it's a great box, and we're going to open the Double Gemstones of the Month Club today. First of all, our encouraging word for today is creativity is intelligence having fun. I like that one. All right, so we have lapis lazuli, it looks like, and you can order the single or the double club, and this is the double. Ooh, look how pretty. If you like blue, this is a good one for you today. All right, so we're going to see what we have here. So they always have this, and this is natural, not dyed or artificial, it says. It is a retail value of $62. So wow, you're saving over 19%. So the round, so we've got round lapis lazuli 6mm beads. This is 40 count. Let's take a look at these. Beautiful, beautiful little round lapis lazuli. Check them out. I love these gray patterns on here. They're just so pretty. Perfect little round beads. All right. That's the 6mm. Then we have some chips. These are 5 to 8mm, and you get 30 grams. I love chips. I think they're so much fun. There they are. Again, really beautiful. And I knew that was going to happen. Knew they were going to go everywhere there. Then we have a rondelle. Oh, I love these. These are pretty. 5 by 8mm. You get 48 of them. Look how pretty those are. Wow. Those would be so pretty with some little metal spacer beads in between. Or some bead caps facing away from the bead, actually. Cupping the next bead. If you put maybe a bicone beside it, that'd be really cool. Very pretty. Okay, then we have teardrops, 8 by 12mm. Oh, these are pretty. Get 8 of these. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness, that one. Wow, that one's almost got like a metallic flake in it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Hold on. These two the same? They are very similar. They almost, it looks like, have a metallic flake. They're beautiful. Let's see if you can see that. Wow. Those are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use those. Those are so pretty. Okay. And then we have a 7 by 16mm tube bead. This is interesting. Check those out. And they have some of that. I guess lapis has a little metallic flake in it. I didn't really realize that. These are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. And you get 10 pieces of these tubes. Huh. Really, really cool. Get in there. Thank you. All right, and then we have the findings pack, and I always look forward to this. This is optional. You don't have to order it if you don't want to, but it is the companion findings pack. I always look forward to this because they always have really interesting, pretty things in here. So first of all, We have a hollow puff coin flower pendant. Look at this. How cool is that? I don't know if you could put a bead in there. I'm assuming that's maybe. I don't know if you could pop a little 6mm bead in there or not. I'm not going to try it right now because I don't want to mess it up. But wow, that's really cool. Look at that. So cool. Then we have French hook ear wires with 0.53 inch blank. Okay, so here's our French hook ear wires. These are cool. So I'm not totally understanding. I guess you would just, yeah, I guess you would just turn them on your own, like turn the, I'm a little bit confused on these. I don't know. So help me if you understand. I guess you could just turn your loop. Is that what it's saying? The 0.53 inch blank. I don't know. So help me out, guys, if you understand. Then we have a garland clasp set. These are really cool. Look how pretty. So we've got some toggles. Looks like a garland on there. Really pretty. We have a button. This button is so cute. These are so pretty for leather bracelets. Little button. Look at that. Love it. Then we have some oval jump rings here. I love oval jump rings. I feel like they're way more secure than regular round jump rings. We have our beautiful pinch bail. Look at that. Gorgeous. And then they always put the coolest head pins in here. These are some flower head pins, 21 or 2 inches, 21 gauge with a little 6mm flower on the bottom there. So cute. My goodness. Love those. And then our earring backs. So this is the Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club Double Gemstone Beads of the Month Club for January 2023. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box below. I will have tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you know when I upload the tutorials. You got to ring the little bell. But yeah, we're going to be doing some pretty things with this stuff. So I will link everything in the description box below this video. And again, the coupon is Wendy10 for 10% off of the first month of each box that you sign up for. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.